What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and thanks for stopping by. This is part 2 of our Brookridge run. If you did not watch part 1 yet, stop right now. Go back and watch part 1. Welcome back. Alright, so you watched part 1. How was it? Did you like it? It was good? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I know. The editing was perfect. Here's part 2. Enjoy it, and we'll see you at the end.
I saw it. You're back real quick. Yeah, buddy. It's the camera throttle. Is that what it is?
You're probably going to have to bump it over that a little bit. Right there. Send it. Go back and do it again. Start to turn this way and try to put your passenger tire right here. Driver here. You might just not have enough. I don't know. I don't know if you have enough tire. Why don't you go up try to go up the middle, and if anything, we'll pull cable and just pull you through. Now that you're straight, back up just a little bit. Right there. Now bump it hard. Do you just want to pull cable now, or do you want to try it? You're gonna have to bump it a little harder. Get your tire backward a little more. Keep going. Hair more. Now bump it hard. If you get over it, then step on the brakes. Hold out. All right, back up slowly and cut driver. Cut it this way. If you can.
Yeah, nice and easy. Hold on, let it take up the slack. Passenger a little.
Let it climb, that's good. That's actually good.
Yeah?
Go straight, Kenny, straight.
Straighten it up. Let it take up the slack. You're gonna need it.
Alright, so I guess we're all winching it.
I made it through. Better make it.
This is rutted and nasty, and this should be fun. That's what I'm saying, man. If you go right, you gotta go like high on that.
In that way.
Okay. All right, Benjamin. There's like a rut right at your front tire there. is a tough one. Oh well.
Oh no, this trail we've never been on. On the GPS, it's not on.
This one, I know.
So I did the one under that, so.
It'd probably be fine.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Seeing it on camera, no Justin. Very difficult to get over. Get it, buddy, get it! Ah. Yeah, back down.
Right there. Get your tire. Press your tire right here.
Not yet.
Give her hell!
Let's try it. What you thinking?
Yeah, cable it, dude.
Your wife would feel better if you pulled.
I think if he backs up and goes harder up the edge. You're off stop.
Finally, like a nice, yep, nice 60-degree day. Oh, there you go.
When you do that, cut all the way driver. He's got to get his tire in like the peak of it or something,
Yeah.
so it can.
Get it right around here. Yeah.
All right,
Right there.
driver, keep going. Yep. There it is. You're good.
No more.
Right on the tip.
Yeah.
A little bit.
So he climbs right there.
No.
Every time, yeah.
Done.
Man. Yeah.
It's that side. It's that side that won't grab.
You trying it again?
Yep. Right there. That's where you want to be. Oh my God. Nope. Everybody.
There it is. Nice job. It's going to want to push it that way, so stay tight. Reset. Joe, stay close to the tree because it wants to pitch you that way. Cut it hard, past her, you should be good now. There you go. Straighten it out.
So this part sucks. When you're actually in your Jeep and then you drop into that hole there, and your whole your body pitches, it literally feels like your whole Jeep is gonna roll off that edge, and it's not very fun. We're near the end of the day, so we're gonna winch everyone through this section and just get the hell out of here. We don't want anyone rolling off into the side of the woods right now. Be smart. So you see right there. So that's not the tricky part. Now winch in, and then as soon as your front tire drops into there, and then your entire Jeep wants to tip over the side.
Drive it. Let it catch up.
How are you? Doing good. No fun on that one. I feel like we've all got lucky through this once, and I feel like we should just winch everyone through again.
Am I in the hole?
Not yet.
Am I going to
Hold on. Go a little passenger.
Yeah.
Keep going straight right there. Keep it straight. You're gonna climb, and then once you drop, yeah, there you go. There you go.
Three-wheel motion.
Rear diff is on that rock.
If you come down and get your tire on that side of that rock, you can totally avoid the whole sliding bit.
What, the way he just did it?
No, on the other side of the rock.
This side?
Like hug over here and get your tire on this side of that rock and you won't slide.
And that'll push you. It'll get you right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's everybody.
Not that far down if you roll it.
Yeah, no big deal. Just roll it right over.
One of the other guys is like
Kill it, man.
All right, here we go. Nice and slow. All right, here we freaking go again. I don't like the spot, man. This bugs me out.
Just gonna get angry.
Yeah.
Once you
Off
get
the
mad
cliff.
at it, you make it right through.
Yep. Here we go.
If you foul all those, you get all the way up on top. We were
hug the tree. Try to get your passenger tire on this side of the rock. Driver tire right here. Cut driver. You're going straight. You want to cut my way. You got all kinds of flex. You're going straight. You gotta cut. You gotta come to me. Can you back up? Yeah, because I want to get your tire on that side, this side of the rock. Actually, cut passenger. You gotta go further back. That's not a good idea. That's where you're gonna slide. Well, he could do that maybe. Problem is if it gives way. I think you should back up like a half a Jeep length. Now.
just put that one shot, please.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Get the back tire to the goo.
Just drive it. Drive it.
Drive it.
That was a couple hairy spots back there. Everyone got some new scratches and dings and boo-boos, and thanks to JF Off-Road and New England Off-Road and every other off-road, and that guy back there too, thanks to him. That's it, man. All right, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit those likes and subscribes and all that good stuff, and we will see you in the next video.
Yeah, no, there was a lot of fun obstacles today. I wish we could have got that other one.
We rolled by it. I saw it.
Oh, you should have said something.
Yeah.